To begin setting up your custom branded app, head over to the Settings menu and select Custom Branded App. In this section, you can customize key settings, including your app's color scheme, app logo, app icon, splash screen, app details, and more. Adjust your app's visual appearance by personalizing its primary, secondary, and business colors, as well as colors for titles, buttons, and button text. Define colors using As changes are made, a real-time mobile screen preview reflects the adjustments, ensuring alignment with your brand. Easily customize the label for your offerings by selecting from a predefined list of options in the drop-down menu. Upload a high-quality banner image, following the recommended dimensions to ensure optimal display. Introduce your brand with an engaging video. Upload a logo that adheres to recommended dimensions for clarity across devices. A professional logo strengthens your brand recognition. Choose an app icon that aligns with your brand identity. Upload it to ensure a crisp display or contact support for a custom icon design. Customize the splash screen's background color using HSL, hex, or RGB values. Choose a memorable name that reflects the app's purpose. Craft an engaging description highlighting features and benefits to captivate users. Select a category and relevant keywords to optimize discoverability URLs. App URL name. Customize your app's web interface. Support URL, email. Provide contact points for assistance marketing. Drive traffic to your main website. Privacy policy and terms of use. Decide if users can register as clients directly through the app and control whether your offerings are publicly listed in a shared marketplace.